Welcome back to my channel, Mazi Chijendo channel on YouTube, where we teach you Igbo language. If you keep following us, if you keep subscribing, you will learn Igbo language fluently. Do you want to learn Igbo? Please come. Do you love Igbo language? Please come. Are your parents Igbos? And you want to learn how to speak and read Igbo? Please come. Mazi Chijindo Television on YouTube will teach you Igbo language and you learn fluently. So today, we're going to start with parts of the body in Igbo language. In Igbo language, you call it akoko ahụ mmadụ. Akoko ahụ mmadụ. That is parts of the body. Do you know them in Igbo language? Please sit back, subscribe, get your pen and paper and write it down so that you can learn this part of the body in Igbo language. The first is the head. In Igbo language, the head is called isi. Isi. Did you get that? Isi, that is head. Now, the eyes is called anya in Igbo language. This is called anya in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the nose. This is called imi in Igbo language. This is called imi in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the ear. This is called nti. Nti. Nti in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the mouth. The mouth is called ono. 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 The next part of the body is the teeth. The teeth. In Igbo language, the teeth is called eze. Eze in Igbo language. That is the teeth. Eze. The next part of the body is the tongue. Ire in Igbo language. The tongue is called ire in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the jaw. The jaw, it is called aba. 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 The jaw. The next part of the body is the neck. The neck. The neck, it is called olu in Igbo language. Olu in Igbo language, the neck. The next part of the body is the chest. The chest. The chest is called obi in Igbo language. Obi in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the breasts. It is called ara in Igbo language. Ara in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the stomach. The stomach is called afo in Igbo language. Afo in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the navel. The navel in Igbo language, it is called otubo. Otubo in Igbo language. Otubo in Igbo language. That is the navel in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the hand. The hand. The hand is called aka in Igbo language. Aka in Igbo language. The next part of the body is the fingers. The fingers in Igbo language is called mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka, that is the fingers. Now, the next part of the body is the knee. The knee. The knee in Igbo language is called ikpere ụkwụ. Ikpere ụkwụ. Ikpere ụkwụ. The next part of the body is the leg. The leg is called ụkwụ, ụkwụ, ụkwụ. The next part of the body is the toes. The toes are called mkpịsị ụkwụ, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Wow. Can you get those things again? Let's go over it once again. The head is called what in Igbo? Isi. The eyes is called anya. The nose is called imi. The mouth is called ono. The teeth is called eze. The tongue is called ire. The ear is called nti. The jaw is called agba. The neck is called olu. The chest is called obi. The breast is called ara. The stomach is called afo. The navel is called otubo. The fingers are called mkpịsị aka. The knee is called ikpere ụkwụ. The legs are called ụkwụ. And the toes are called mkpịsị ụkwụ. I know you've got this one today. Please follow up in our YouTube channel, like and share so you get notifications as we continue to teach you Igbo language. Remember, this is Mazi Chijendo. Please follow us, like our video, and share so that you can get notifications when we post the next video. Ndewo. Thank you.